South African actress, model and media personality Kanya Mkangisa has officially joined the cast of Netflix hit reality series Young, Famous and African, and social media is already buzzing with mixed reactions. The former YoTV presenter and the Queen actress was revealed as the latest addition to the show by entertainment commentator Phil Pella on X on Saturday, 17 January 2026. Kanya becomes one of the newest South African stars to secure a spot on the series, following award-winning producer Prince Kaybee as the show gears up for its upcoming season. While many fans congratulated her and praised her for securing an international platform, others sparked debate online, with some questioning her age and commenting she's 40, while supporters clapped back, saying success has no expiry date. Whether praised or criticized, one thing is clear: Kanya Mkangisa's entrance has already stirred up conversations, and all eyes will be on how she shakes things up in the glamorous and dramatic world of Young, Famous and African. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts down below, and I will see you on my next upload.